Jim Kunkel here, and forgive me, as I might be biased, but this podcast is where legacy meets innovation. Each episode from this series dives deeper into the forces reshaping business, technology, and leadership in the age of intelligent transformation. From AI disruption and digital strategy to brand building and global engagement, this podcast is your front row seat to the conversations that matter. Whether you're a technical expert, a creative strategist, or a future-focused entrepreneur, you'll find actionable insights, bold perspectives, and a roadmap for thriving in the new digital era. Please know that this podcast isn't just about trends, it's about transformation, with topics covered from across industries and each episode challenging conventional thinking. The digital revolution is your guide to building relevance, resilience, and legacy in a world driven by intelligent technologies. Subscribe and follow now on your favorite platform and join the revolution, because the future isn't waiting, and neither should you. And now for this week's bonus episode. Amazon just announced it's cutting up to 30,000 jobs, and the reason: artificial intelligence. This isn't a distant future scenario or a theoretical debate. It's happening right now at one of the world's largest and most influential companies. AI isn't just optimizing workflows, it's reshaping the very structure of employment. And if Amazon is doing it, you can bet other companies are already following suit or quietly preparing to. This is a seismic shift, and it's not limited to tech. Retail, logistics, finance, healthcare, education, every sector is in the crosshairs of intelligent automation. So here's the real question. Are you ready? Because this isn't just about Amazon. It's about you, your team, your industry. Whether you're a frontline worker, a manager, a creative, or a technical specialist, the message is clear: upskilling is no longer optional. It's urgent. The AI revolution isn't waiting for anyone to catch up. In this bonus episode, we together are going to unpack what these layoffs really mean, how AI is changing the rules of the game, and most importantly, what you can do right now to stay relevant, empowered, and ahead of the curve. Let's dive into this dark side of the digital revolution and make sure you're not left behind. So, what just happened? Let's break down the headline that's shaking up the business world. Amazon. Yes, the global titan of e-commerce, logistics, and cloud computing just announced plans to cut up to 30,000 jobs. That number isn't just staggering, it's symbolic. It signals a turning point where artificial intelligence isn't just a tool, it's a driver of structural change. According to internal reports and executive statements, AI is being credited with streamlining operations, automating workflows, and reducing the need for human labor across multiple departments. From customer service to inventory management, intelligent systems are stepping in, and people are being phased out. But Amazon isn't alone. Salesforce, Goldman Sachs, and other major players are quietly trimming their workforces, citing similar reasons. AI is no longer a back-office experiment, it's front and center in boardroom strategy. And here's the kicker. This isn't just about cost cutting. It's about redefining how companies operate. The efficiencies AI brings are real, but they come with a human cost. And if you think your industry is immune, think again. Whether you're in retail, finance, healthcare, education, or manufacturing, the ripple effects are coming. This moment isn't just a corporate shakeup, it's a wake-up call for every professional to reassess their value, their skills, and their future. The AI impact across industries. It's expanding. Let's zoom out from Amazon and look at the bigger picture. AI isn't just transforming one company, it's rewriting the playbook across entire industries. In retail, intelligent systems are handling inventory forecasting, customer service, and even product recommendations with precision that outpaces human teams. In finance, AI is automating fraud detection, underwriting, and portfolio management. Healthcare is seeing diagnostic tools powered by machine learning that rival, or in some cases, outperform human clinicians. Education, logistics, manufacturing, media, the list goes on. If your job involves patterns, decisions, or communication, AI is already knocking at the door. And it's not just about replacing tasks, it's about redefining roles. HR professionals are using AI to screen candidates and predict retention. Marketers are deploying generative models to craft campaigns and analyze sentiment in real time. Engineers are collaborating with AI to write code, simulate designs, and troubleshoot systems. Even creatives, writers, designers, podcasters are finding themselves in a new dance with intelligent tools that can generate, iterate, and optimize content at scale. This isn't science fiction. It's happening now. And the professionals who thrive won't be the ones who resist change. They'll be the ones who learn to lead it. The upskilling imperative, it's time to dig it. Let's get real. This isn't just a moment of disruption. It's a moment of decision. The Amazon layoffs aren't just a corporate maneuver. They're a signal flare for every professional across every industry. AI isn't coming for your job in the future. It's already reshaping it in the present. And that means the only way forward is upskilling. Not next year, not when it's convenient, now. Because the skills that got you here won't necessarily keep you here. The new baseline includes prompt fluency, digital agility, and the ability to collaborate with intelligent systems. If you're not learning how to work with AI, you're falling behind. But here's the good news. Upskilling doesn't mean going back to school for years or mastering complex code. It means embracing curiosity, adaptability, relevance, and passion, what's called the CARE framework. It means engaging with tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot to understand how they think, how they assist, and how they can amplify your value. It means taking ownership of your digital literacy and exploring micro-learning platforms, certifications, and hands-on experimentation. What are the strategic upskilling paths? Now that we've established the urgency, let's talk about the how. Because upskilling isn't a one-size-fits-all journey. It's a strategic, role-specific evolution. For frontline workers, the focus should be on mastering digital tools that enhance productivity and automate repetitive tasks. Think of learning how to use AI-powered scheduling apps, inventory systems, or customer service bots. These aren't just tools, they're your new teammates. The more fluently you can work alongside them, the more indispensable you become. For example, a warehouse associate who understands predictive logistics software or a retail associate who can interpret AI-driven customer insights is no longer just executing tasks, they're adding strategic value. For managers and leaders, the upskilling path is about vision and orchestration. You need to understand how AI fits into your business model, how to lead teams through digital transformation, and how to evaluate ethical risks and data governance. This is where strategic AI literacy comes into play. Not just knowing what AI can do, but knowing when and why to deploy it. For creatives and communicators, the opportunity is massive. Learn prompt engineering, experiment with generative design tools, and explore how AI can amplify your storytelling. And for technical professionals, it's time to go deeper. Model tuning, data pipeline optimization, AI safety protocols. The key is to align your upskilling with your role, your industry, and your long-term goals. Closing out. This bonus episode, Legacy, Leadership, and the Digital Revolution. As we wrap this episode, I want to speak directly to the leaders, the builders, the professionals who see beyond the headlines. The Amazon layoffs are not just a cautionary tale, they're a catalyst. They remind us that leadership in the digital age isn't about resisting change, it's about guiding it. Legacy isn't built by holding on to the past. It's forged by how we respond to the present and shape the future. Whether you're leading a team, building a brand, or mentoring the next generation, your ability to adapt, upskill, and empower others will define your impact. This is your moment to lead, not just with strategy, but with empathy, foresight, and digital fluency. The digital revolution isn't just about technology, it's about transformation. It's about redefining what it means to be valuable, relevant, and resilient. AI is not the enemy of human potential, it's the amplifier of it, but only if we choose to engage, learn, and evolve. So I challenge you, don't just react to disruption, rise to it. Start your upskilling journey today. Share what you learn, model what's possible, because the future isn't waiting, it's already here. And in this revolution, legacy belongs to those who lead it. Thank you for being part of the Digital Revolution community and for joining the series on this journey through the ever-changing world of digital innovation and revolution. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and as always, keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.